If you're a carpenter, bricklayer, engineer or architect, you need the Cert 4 in building, along with 2 years residential practical building supervision experience. And the only way to show that is to get a referee statement either by one or more than one licensed builders that also has references to development application numbers or construction development certificates, where the fair trading, Office of Fair Trading can then verify that the project was completed by a builder, and then you have to show that you're employed and remunerated by that builder. If you don't have a carpentry, bricklaying, architect or engineering background or qualification, then you'll need the Cert 4 and the Diploma of Building along with the 2 years residential building supervision experience. And fair trading is really focusing on the residential side. They don't accept any owner-builder work, and they don't accept any work that hasn't been done under the supervision of a licensed builder. So face-to-face training, most people will understand that you come to class, there's a certain amount of hours you need to perform, and you'll have to handle an assessment tasks and do work class activities. And also with the face-to-face, you're usually given a set of notes. You have to understand those notes, and the teacher, or what we call the trainer, now delivers those notes to you, and you can ask them questions. And it's if you like, the old way that we used to train, and for some people it's very, very helpful. With recognition of prior learning, this is usually for people who've been in the industry for an extensive amount of time. They've sort of been there and done that, but had no formal training. They may have been to courses, but they haven't had any exams or assessment tasks noted, or they may have done a course quite a long time ago. So with recognition of prior learning, it is exactly what it stands for, a recognition of what you've learned in the past. We don't mind where you've learned or picked up those skills from, but if you can fit the criteria that meets the training standards, then we can assess you as being competent. If you're not yet competent, then we can either fit you into face-to-face courses, classes, or into a correspondence section where you can just complete questions and answers. So we can do a mixed mode of RPL, correspondence and face-to-face. We've also got online training, where the online training is go online through our system, our e-learning system. You can watch specific videos and then you can answer those questions. There'll also be notes and PDF documents that you can read before you answer the questions. And then we have workplace-based assessment, where it's similar to RPL, but where all the learning is done on-site. It's usually for people who are new to the industry, like apprentices and trainees, where they're being supervised.